Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get to Likkle Everyting Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel.
Yeah,
and this morning,
guys.
Yeah, this morning we are heading to see Miss Nevie and we're going early in the morning so we can beat the sun, although the sun has come out already, but at least it's not so hot. It has been a while since we've seen you guys. I trust that everyone is doing well. Please do remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be notified. Alright. Good morning.
Hello. Morning.
As I look at that black puppy.
I tell you, dog. Alright.
No. Hey. I tell you, time up. Yeah, maybe not want him run away. So yes guys, a few times we come up on Miss Nevie and we chance it and drive, but it just not work out with the driving. It's so difficult, the road too bad, and so we decided that we have to just, you know, foot it like we usually do.
Yeah. Which
makes it a little bit harder because, you know, when you drive you could just go in and out, but you have to make a special effort when you plan to walk because the journey is not easy. But here we are this morning, and I have to say happy Father's Day to Marcel. Enough blessings, Marcel.
Thank you very, very much.
And happy Father's Day as well to all the fathers out there.
Yes, God bless you. Same thing too, you know?
Yeah.
Big up all the daddy them. Yeah. The world. Yeah.
To the
big
world.
Up Winston, the general. You know yourself, my boss. Yeah.
When you start naming names and get yourself in a trouble, you know.
Well, me name who remember me. I big up my big brother in the Bahamas. Yeah. And all of my brother them who are father, want to big them up. You see it. You know, all of my brother them they are Bahamas. One day America. Omar, big up yourself. You know yourself. You see it. Happy Father's Day, Omar. Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope you watch this in Omar and she say, yeah, big you up.
Okay, since we're in that mood, sending shout outs to my brother Terry. Happy Father's Day.
Yes.
Try calling him earlier and I'll get through, but I'm sure he'll see this.
Yes, Terry.
All right.
All right. Enough people have to big up. So we just have to big up to
everybody.
all of the fathers them. Yeah. And big up to all of the mother them who father them children too.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
You know what we mean.
Man. Kind of I father them missing, so
yeah.
my mother do everything, you know.
Yeah. And some moms are missing too, but you know, vice versa.
Well, me I go, cause no fight time on Facebook we see missing people them. Me could go look now.
Alright, so guys, we're not even halfway up.
No?
One of the good things about coming to see Miss Nevie early too, some Sunday morning, if he doesn't have anything, and we journey down the road. So if you come this early, we won't miss him, and you won't have to go anywhere. Oh, tired. Long time we don't do this journey, you know. I warm up.
Oh, want to big up my Tory too, you know. My brother, my Tory in the Bahamas, big up yourself. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't leave you out.
Big up.
I'm going to tell you, I have one whole heap of bridge in our father, but I can't call their name.
So all the
They're too much.
So like
big up Junior in a Sparlings. Yeah man, Junior Photo Studio. Big up yourself. Yeah. Mackay. Yeah. I'm a videographer friend them, you know, so I have to big them up and them a father, you see it? Yeah. So this morning a big up morning. We all daddy them. What you say?
Yeah.
All right.
So yeah. Pick up everybody.
Yeah, man.
Oh boy.
Yes. Ooh. Mr. Green, you look like you're going to make present this morning.
Oh, man, I got church.
Eh? Today Sunday?
Yeah.
Oh, you
Happy
guys
Father's
having
Day.
something?
Welcome. Happy Father's Day.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yes,
What are you guys keeping at church today?
You know, it's a ministerial meeting, so
Oh, okay.
we'll keep your group tone, so
Oh, you're traveling
Grove Town,
out.
Mandeville.
yeah.
That's South Manchester.
Yeah,
Man.
not far.
Yeah. It's a 9 o'clock meeting, so we'll leave about 7 o'clock.
Okay, you're reaching time, man.
All right.
Sitting drop your question and then take taxi.
Oh, you're taking a taxi? Thought you guys were going on a bus, like trip.
Oh, I just want to leave from out down here, bro.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, all the best.
Safe travel upon the gravel. All right.
Yeah.
Light one serious fire. Better go them plant that roadside. And you see all them so close to. See there? Gungo.
You come up already?
See there?
Oh,
See gungo a grow.
yeah.
Enough to me. Really want now. Yo. Agwan. All right.
So I'm going to tree that's an old one.
Rope, why the man saying go up in there? Rope! Rope! I ran a film part of house that. Rope!
Probably sleeping.
I take Nevie off and roast this morning. Step on how you get. I ain't gonna look for goat. How people look for goat?
Not gonna look for them.
Just look for them.
Yes.
And say how they do. And when you go look for somebody and ask them how they do.
Goat can't talk, you know.
You can't hear though.
A nice Christmas, we call it Christmas tree. Pretty. I don't know what it name. What to say Christmas tree, I guess. You know what me I talk, you turn to it.
I know say I talk one or something call it.
Grapefruit, come back on tree now.
Remember when they show you one bamboo and so?
And look how much bamboo it was.
Not
We
even
are like,
one piece of it.
we are like how when the mother don't carry all that. You carry it though.
It's a donkey then. Donkey,
Yeah. Under this tree, cool. Ooh.
yeah. See a place bush up back?
Why? I'm sweating here.
Me sweating too.
Sweating.
Yeah, me sweating. See Nevie there?
I wonder where my
My red shot. Yeah, that's your food, that bush.
That's your food.
So much food you have here, Dash way? So much food here, Dash way? Where Dash way food for?
Alright, time we are come.
Where Dash way food for? And then you say
We are go. Stand up where you're there.
I'm belly hurt me.
how food?
From Friday you can cook food.
How food for sour?
I'm from Friday.
A lime sour.
Friday me cook it.
Lime and orange sour.
When I got church, you know, me cook for Friday evening.
Oh, okay.
So when we come back now, Saturday no me can't cook Saturday. And me come back Saturday no me can't cook again. So me say that me I cook it for the day there. But this man now me smell him and he get sour.
What the day you like cookie for?
Yes.
So I can never give them when they come.
You know easy no man. You know easy. What go on? See. See what go on?
Yeah, man, they are locked up again.
Mas Nevie.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. What's the water here? Wash your hand.
Yes, ma'am. Good not down. Yeah, man. Go wipe off my hand.
Yeah, wipe off your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you say about this morning? Say a good thing so we come?
Yes, man.
What happened?
A lot of food.
So you know, so we can food come.
Now come and carry. Now go to that name the brother.
Yeah, hear you?
Now come and carry. Now give nobody name. You might stay long. You still a come. All you still a me no say you come. So me that you know where myself, you know.
Tell us so we stay long.
And most time me run that food bad that me have to go choose. We looking at still you know nothing.
Nothing you know.
You know say well I go me I can't say boy look like me if me no soon. When me I can't say that come you know.
So you don't have no food this morning, nothing at all?
Nothing did me would me that people nothing me no have man.
Oh, your face look fat though.
You know worry and pray missus. Pray to God, you know.
Yes.
Do worry and pray to our life.
So you pray this morning?
Every day me pray brother.
So you pray so we come up here?
We
We are going to tap you. Because we want to rest.
Yes, sir. Glad to meet you, man. God always in the
God
always in the right time. So you man have to trust God. Trust God, you know, I live in nothing, man.
So what going otherwise?
Nothing else not going otherwise. Nothing else.
Yeah.
Let me say nothing now, Gwan. You want a short story for share?
Oh, come here, I go show you this here. Good thing you talk. A good thing you talk, party.
A good thing you talk. Oh boy.
You must know what I go on.
Yeah, show me what I go on.
Where's this down here? That bag is not heavy.
Take a look for you. That?
You never see me when we come.
Did that look?
Okay.
You see what whenever I look now.
Let me take this bag from you. It's not heavy.
Let me stand up with you, man.
You sure? Okay.
So what I go on, brother?
Lord have mercy.
I want rat eating.
You tell me I got a church and the whole of the back.
Turn on the back.
Me couldn't turn back.
How it shows that?
No, the new show want to make you come give
I
me.
wonder where they buy for you.
You know, you see them bottom them.
Where can I dash you now?
You see me I go show
Oh, yeah,
them.
keep it show.
Are you, remember I'm a shoemaker, you plan to fix it?
Ah, you save me daddy been living now, me no
So
worry.
where bottom there?
You better do the Papa Road.
No, no. So say you just want to come up saying we...
Yeah, we for me say me not turn back, you know. We are got church and me not turn back.
Oh, so when you reach a church, the bottom gone?
Yes, I will never reach way down.
Lord have mercy.
You have to carry slippers when you go to church and wear you drop off bottom boat.
I saw me you see the rainfall. That me you know, so used to do, you know. You want shoes. I know when we get at church now, me change it.
So you know, no church shoes now.
No, man.
You have one black sneaker though. You can wear it.
Now the water boot can wear go to church, man. Render your heart and not your garment.
When at the bottom soon that path to you know.
Why the water boat bottom?
You can have one thing, suppose I want to. Suppose I want to. Suppose me have one next one now. Me couldn't go to church.
You don't have no water boat, Mass Nevie?
Me have one, but it's no good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we water when rain fall, you wear it.
Yes. You can have one thing, you know. Me never tell you one thing if I see that one.
And one life you have.
Yeah, life different for.
Yeah, that's the same one.
I tell you, me have one, you know, me have one along, you know, and me have for the road, no good. And you see the rain fall, so then it the panja park.
Yeah. So, Mass Nevie,
Yes, ma'am.
we carry some items for you this morning
God bless, ma'am.
from a donor by the name of Miss Bailey.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, so she brought them down, we would have picked them up.
Yes, ma'am.
So we bring them to you this morning. So you have grocery items as your top of your shoes. Let me put this shoe in your hand. She put this in the bag, so see.
For the right size.
Let me look and see if I see the size.
That this now go fit me?
But try on here and see.
Now go fit me, man. Now go fit
You
me.
feel short?
Yes,
Try on it, if you can't fit it, we take it, go give somebody else.
yes, man. We have to do that. Now go fit me.
Can't fit your man, I have talk about.
Master Vili.
Put out the pint of shoes if it's short.
You will fit him,
I
man.
lace one job.
Tight.
And the lace, you know, pull up the lace.
Now fit me, man. You know my size, you know.
So your toe reach down.
Now reach down here.
You fit?
So,
Tight? Which part tight?
Toe part.
but me I go wait and stretch it, you know.
You know, man, you fit, man, I have talk about. You lace tight. So your toe no reach, I point it, you know.
Yeah.
Must have you look like you know. You don't know what one, because the lady can mark out your foot when you're asleep.
Most
When you're
fun.
asleep, she can mark out your foot.
What me I say, man?
I'll buy shoes here.
You see it, no, sir? But lad, gosh, look how this I just jump off me and see me. And I go this year, you know what I go and do, you know. But I say that, we did I say, we are going now, team, so me go show you what I go on. Yeah, and you see the man now, they light too, you know.
So where, man?
Light.
Yeah, and in a slide like that, you want them
No,
bottom drop off.
no.
You slide the bottom slide off of that.
Me I tell you, say one morning me I go to church, and he would slide me and lick me down on my knee,
You see that?
bruise up.
Yeah,
I go to see me, I
if
take
you have
me.
them shine bottom boot there.
Yes, I you saw the road them time.
Yeah.
God bless him, man. He may know what I go on. He may know.
I want him, I want she.
I want to see. That me like to see them, you know.
Yeah.
They always know what I go on, man.
Watch out.
Yes, man.
They
What?
always know what going on.
Me say, man.
It's an all sheet.
Morning.
Yeah. Oh, God.
And you know want no more sheet, so we have
Me
to put
want
that
to,
one
man.
there.
Can't do, man. Me want to. God, me don't know how me have. I must eat a 5
Martin,
system.
we there, man. Yeah, go dig yam. Give me piece of yam. Dig yam and give me piece.
Yeah, there's no digging.
So when I digging stick that.
No, I couldn't miss somebody. Just like how you see me, I got on here, just something can go on.
Alright, galang hoya, galang then no. Galang hoya, galang.
Drop in a two.
Eh?
Me want to drop in a two.
How what happen?
Me say for two, I don't know.
Oh, Mr. One, go have a tree over there and fit through in a Mass
Yeah,
Nevie.
this so. He have one upon it. I just see them pick out. I will not bag go get man. A good thing to make use on your fridge, man.
Mass Nevie, me hear something I drop right over where you put the throw the food. Wonder if a dog or something.
Must see dog, man. I mean, I make them come and baby how I dog my runs and come in and me say when me cook. And me chicken and season to place and just go in this and also me go look with the salt. Come the dog gar me meat.
Oh no. Again, or from the same story from the long time.
Come back again and
He come back
they
again?
kill him too. No come me again.
Then kill him.
Yeah, they poison him.
Uh-oh.
Is that dog when I turn out I do in a house in Kuma?
Yeah.
And you watch me like somebody?
Yeah. I want a smart dog.
Yes.
Your shoes look nice, Mas Nevie.
Ready for church?
Yes, man.
Happy Father's Day, Mas Nevie.
You know that me I go attack a while ago.
Father's Day to you.
Miss B, I tell me say you got I tell you say. I don't know, let me have pick you out there, no?
You're picking out there?
Moose.
So how they not tell you Happy Father's Day?
But they know they part me there.
Which part then there?
I pick you a told man. I told me you so the man. While the one girl, the lady we married to her, while I pick
And after you and lace so tight in a mass.
No, it's about
I wear thinner socks tonight.
Yeah, man.
yes.
Sideway.
Tina socks. Yeah, man. You think them go in and say, all you have picnic.
Mas Nevie, me have one big bag for me back for you, and me have
Yeah.
along with it.
Then you have to put in a day. No, this is
Oh, you might go for your food pan.
you put something in a rat coming and go.
And why you do that box?
It's a box that.
Empty food pan.
But
Oh, me like, yeah, man.
Not there. This side. Yeah. Make it steam.
One empty body.
So you're saying no food. That was it.
I just tell me up.
what is that? Rice?
Pack of salt tonight.
Drink water.
If you salt, I drink water.
You have a big pack something of peas. Like you know, like cook the peas, Mas
I
Nevie.
think that tonight, Mas Nevie.
I know some like cooking on me, but me no cook it on the stove. You know, me get the beans and me no cook it on the stove. Me go look good.
Oh.
For me know how we going.
I mean, go look good. We can't buy gas and stove gear and go look good.
Just soak the
Well at you.
just soak the peas, Mas Nevie.
Huh?
You have to just soak the peas.
True, man. True.
Coffee this in a Mas Nevie?
Yes, sir. All right. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, Donna.
Yes, thank you.
Thank Miss Bailey.
Yes.
Yes. I am a
I put in a box.
Light box.
What?
no.
We have packet food pan.
Yes,
Yes.
you want to put it which part
We
in?
have sardine and mackerel. Only the mackerel.
Nothing in the abroad.
You're not run out of food again.
Yes, sir.
Ever.
Yes, sir.
I have no friends.
Yes.
We have our keys still, man.
Started with my stove, so for me.
So you drink tea already?
No, man.
See something like ginger and honey.
Ah.
So you have one whole heap of them in there. I have sugar. May I put them in a pan?
How me I gonna know them?
No, and then you feel them, and them are only small packets in there. See them?
They have to boil tea.
Give him those, make him put them.
Make them different.
Yes.
Hold that down.
But me say, when you night, you know, party, in a night, me get up the belly, hot me, Sunday morning, me have to go down so get some black mint.
This is quinal, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Put in a pan, see me? Put your pan, see me? Put in.
Yes.
So what they have make your belly hurt you? Hungry? They hungry?
I make their gas.
Oh. Take too long to eat.
Yes.
A big can of Milo.
Cool.
Cool.
Give me milk.
It's a tin milk.
Yes.
You have more than one tin milk.
You have to use knife cut that one they don't mess them.
Yes.
You can drink this now, you know? Drink it, this is one meal.
Yes, sir.
You eat breakfast this morning?
No, miss.
Oh, you say I have none.
Yes, so yeah, put the rest of milk there.
But I said, put them in this one, man.
Put them in the
Yes, sir.
How are you hide over there, sir?
No, the thing where you give me?
You want to look if that pan empty too? You might put in tea stuff on a different place.
Yes, well, me can't find easy.
Beef, yeah, it can be.
I hit me like,
What's never, you see, the canned beef, the key, if you pull the canned beef, the
On top,
Yes, sir.
not at the side.
On the top.
Yeah, make it fit, touch it, Marcel.
Me know party there, man. I me like take it boiled soup, you know.
Hold it.
Feel pan top, I hit that.
So, me like where you have to pull up, but so I know you have to cut it round.
So you have to go find it, the part of it.
Yes, sir. Me like cabbage, man. The boil good soup, you know. I like how we have peas, you know.
What's never?
Yes.
Them have sugar.
So put them in there too, sir.
Feel them. Then in them plastic bag.
Put all of them in there.
Need something like that to make it cheap.
Yes, sir.
Pull that and go on. Yeah.
Yes, sir. For me to drink.
That a jam.
This is something to put on your bread.
Yes, a jam.
You know more than me. And this is a biscuit where you can go and eat right now.
Yes, man.
Oh, Mas Nevie, see sheet set here. You give it.
Oh,
Make your feet now. Stop and laugh after me. Hold on, let me see first. Hey man, that sheet. See that?
oh, God bless the lady, man. You know, oh, God. He knows about my sorrow.
She knows about your sorrow.
Yeah.
She knows say anybody don't have to give you one with that.
I will say this
last time.
a
A biscuit one.
You want one? You want one? Pack out there. Some other packs in the box here.
Yeah.
And this, you know what they made the feel.
I'm run out of them too.
For sure.
Run out of them all. Yeah.
Run out of them.
God bless God.
Someone had pizza.
You like him as Nevie?
And then you used to come marry this man.
We don't stop, we always come here.
Now, Mr. You know, like you know water, though.
No rain that fall from when. I'm no water.
I mean, water, what they bought me the fruit, we drink the water, then.
Is that what?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Put in this.
Put in the same pan?
Yes, sir.
You pull it,
Yeah.
You know, you just pull your pipe up.
Yes,
It's a
yes.
Ziploc.
You know how to pull it?
Yes, man. Yes, man. Put it in
I
there.
wonder if you're original pan with. You see good?
Nah,
How you know how to pull it and you don't see it?
me.
Not even touch it.
You don't try to tell me how to pull it.
So you're busy at feeding face.
Then-
You're hungry.
See one more thing.
For me to buy dinner last night, you know?
You never eat no dinner?
No,
And then you
sir.
have toothpaste. Then you have toothpaste,
Yeah,
yeah?
yes. Never eat no dinner before. But before I say my belly hurt me, I not force it, you know?
You know, no dinner in your life, so you don't have to eat food. People just eat food through them. Yes, and they're hungry. So you have clothes, Mas Nevie.
Oh, cool.
Take off the one there and put on this one there, your sweater.
Yes, sir. You want to sweet of them.
What's that microphone?
I mean, you have to, you know?
Huh?
Not like me the cold man. Let me have him. Alright.
That's a one brown that you hear.
Yeah, one whole heap of soap, bath soap. You have enough bath soap, you can go up in the tap.
Okay, might do that myself.
You want help me put on it?
This now.
They can never just give me this one here.
Take it
Yeah, you see, it sound like I say, it sound like a bad yeah, bad milk. Take it on, take it on.
So that's how our sun can cover your head.
So you have to use the sheet and cover your head at night time. You just throw on that over your head, not you?
Yeah. Can I wear this guy at church, you know?
Well, you say you can't.
But if you're sleeping, then you can't go where you go to church. And they say I save you for church.
It's a good man.
Fuck myself if I
Yes, man.
turn his sleeve.
You mean Nevie? Hot black or what?
What? Hot man.
You mean
No cool.
hot man?
No
You soap them now, where you put them?
Myself, you really hungry, I drink one next juice.
Yes, me no buy
One
no
next,
dinner.
oh,
You tell me, brother.
you can't pull a biscuit, man,
Myself, you
Nevie.
have one whole heap of bread.
You can't pull it.
I have shirts. You have some. I know.
Myself, pull a biscuit for him.
Let's that one. I'll take this.
Alright, biscuit in there too.
Those soft ones.
Oh, yes, sir. But the meat, what is it, sir?
Mas Nevie, me not go show people them every clothes that you get.
So let's put them down.
Cause see I have one shirt here.
Let's put
Long
it.
sleeve shirt.
Yeah, man.
You see it?
Yeah.
You see it?
Color.
I call I know.
Which side the shirt then?
Yes, sir.
You will go through and already and feel and see what it
I
is.
know them.
Alright.
They just put every part in they come. That's how they come.
Yeah man, everything then I bought. I like clothes.
Yes.
And they knew too, we never see them now. We just only food we just them transfer them to different bags.
Yes, sir. They knew.
What, the clothes? We don't know.
No, if they don't know, you don't want them. Yeah?
We want them too.
They actually they knew for.
Well, they know old Mas Nevie.
Mas Nevie, you have too much salt. You have one big bag of salt.
I'm sister make my child for salt.
Now we can use it.
No, to me had the boy in a pack.
Yeah, it's too much.
Yeah, so me say make I want it and
You can't eat the salt and all, no?
and it's not so good to me neither.
Alright. The box here,
What you want this box to do? You can't throw it away?
No, man.
What you do with it?
Can't pack all my clothes in me dirty clothes in.
No man, it's full of flour, clothes can't go up in that.
Me back.
Yeah, dirty clothes can't.
Me back to the man. Me back to the my clothes are dirty.
Oh,
Pack no
okay.
clean. Everything had done use now.
You hear one voice?
Yeah.
They can't come in and they cook again.
So that we keep you?
They will
You
what?
can't eat biscuit all day. You can't burn no calories.
I mean oats.
You need eating. You can't burn no calories and I do nothing. I do sit down and I get fat.
I deal with Mas Nevie, so this man.
That's good for man.
Mas Nevie, you hear them? So, yeah?
Yes.
Mas Nevie saying hungry.
Really hungry. But me here blessed food, Mas Nevie. You just
I make you at Paris, so me say it's a good news, yes sir. But me consider say we don't know this man never me about. To God, me.
stay down now, man.
To me I say that this man I know. Me know say me not getting still know that so me not go. You know?
Let me pull out that something I better feel. So I look, you have 50 bags too much. And I mash up crumble with the biscuit. You have
A biscuit not no
Yeah
sir.
man, all of that are biscuit.
Put them in a bag the same way.
Put them in a pan.
Yes sir.
Nobody come here and take your food.
Man, oh God, I'm not about
Because when you don't have no food,
Yes, sir.
you have to wait. So you hide your food in your bed.
no food.
If you food under your bed, they not take it. I will then see they not take it because they don't want nothing for that.
And the flour too?
Yeah, flour. Yes. So you're good.
I'm this man. Yes.
All right, Mas Nevie.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're good, I know.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can go on there now. Alright.
All right, guys. Thanks so much, and special thank you to Miss Bailey who sent this.
Sugar, yeah, so then pack up all over the place.
You know, say last night, me remember I put that sugar there, and last night I take mix some baby, some.
Is that oatmeal sugar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, me see one back later, one small mess me go throw it in there. I mean, me say this man me go throw it in. I mean, I put my back. See one empty back there.
Let me see.
Man, I no sugar.
Last night you go buy? You go road the night?
After we move to
Friday.
You say you have bill down in your shop? How much you go down there?
around $5,000.
$500?
As I'm telling you, come to body, man.
Yeah, we are worth $5,000 worth of something.
I don't tell you, man, never say something, you know, me have to keep them dear. I have fun, no, no, my fault, I different, you know.
So you want to eat tin food, yeah? Eat up the tin food, then man, nobody come back and take you. You don't know when you come back.
Yeah, I said,
You not back in your pan with the food.
yes, man.
Alright,
So
so
I can't take Mass Nevie food. You don't know saying nasty, you know. Tell them Mass Nevie.
I sometimes ask me clothes go to you know.
you don't know when somebody come in our house.
They might watch me, you know.
Oh, they might talk to you and then
They
you take
might
something.
So they say me watch me say. I soap run out too, you know.
Soap? Or washing soap?
Bath soap wash your clothes. Well, if you take it out of your body, why can't take it out of your clothes in the same dirt? Everybody has got their clothes. Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, yeah, not to me, can't go and no. Come in this.
Man, I tell you, man, I go to me have to do it to my better them too.
Well, you have children out there.
Oh, yeah, see, man.
Let me see you. Where you go?
Did that boy man in the party I choose me, I tell you, no.
You did too well, that's why you don't have nobody around you.
Yes. Possible fire, hands enough fire.
Too much iron up there.
Some foil.
That's everywhere you do with fertilizer.
Fertilizer, me pity them.
What's the other side? Throw garbage?
Yes, I your time.
No,
Oh, that side looks.
No garbage in front of your house, Mass Nevie.
Oh, but this me treat, man.
No garbage there, because right now we have to go from clean up.
Coffee, come back.
What's it over there? Can tie them in a bag.
Yeah.
Get bag and tie them in a when you use them. Finish with them and when we come we carry go dump it.
Alright, sir.
I will burn it somewhere, but
Somewhere.
I want no garbage or something.
Yes, sir. That's true, man. They have something in the now.
May you barely have something?
Right.
Alright guys, we're gonna take we leave here now, you know. We're gonna take we leave. Our Father's Day. We're gonna be a father now.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks to Miss Bailey. Because of you this morning you made it possible. Mass Nevie have groceries because him did run out. So special thank you, and we pray that your store basket may never be empty.
Man.
Right?
How she didn't know so, sir.
How she did know. You know, say you talk to God.
Yes.
Yeah, so him send her. Yeah, and she obedient.
I say anything from the God I will come and like how me talk to you. Yes, man.
Yeah.
Never me have say good things me do good and me people them blessing.
No, okay.
Well man blessing. And I go out and me keep me sir.
You?
To me daddy. My rose, you know, so you can pick water for your people. I first thing I tell you, God bless you, sir.
Yeah. Alright guys, thanks to everyone. Thank you for your continued support, and until next time, we thank you for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
God bless you, God bless you, sister.